Hey guys, welcome. Is there water on the camera? So Ling and I are going on a romantic getaway. We've been in Queenstown for almost 6 months since our visas got renewed. But the thing is, we've been working a lot and haven't really been able to enjoy ourselves. On any given week, I'll be doing between 45 to 50 hours between the hostel and the restaurant. So we shuffled some of our shifts around. So we've got 2 nights. We're gonna drive out 25 minutes to the GIBBSTON Valley. You see that rainbow?
Yeah.
It is the wine region of this area, known for their Pinto Noirs. So we're gonna go to this winery called KINROSS. KINROSS was highly recommended by the head chef of the restaurant that I work at. He told me the food is excellent. He had a great time. So Ling's lined up the things. She's made the bookings. We got a private cottage, a hot tub, wine tasting tomorrow, breakfast, dinner. That's carte blanche. The chef is gonna just bring out a bunch of goodies for us. We don't know what he's gonna serve us. Before we head over to the winery and get settled in, we just need to pick up a couple of supplies.
Wait. Since we're not going to countdown, I was thinking that we can get it done.
Ling and I are picking up some dinner at this place called Getaway. We don't have any dinner plans for tonight, so we figured these guys do takeaways. So what we're gonna do is pick up some raw pasta, which we're gonna cook ourselves. So we picked up some nice casarecce, a nice bolognese sauce, Parmesan cheese, and 2 cannolis. So that's gonna be our supper for tonight. Looking forward to it. The guy's Italian, so you know it's gotta be good.
You put the pasta into the sauce, mix it.
Done. Easy.
Enjoy.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Grazie mille, Giove. I'm really looking forward to trying this pasta. In New Zealand, they're not chocolate-covered almonds; they are scorched almonds.
Are the Breton crackers that are not called Breton here?
Balsamic vinaigrette, yo. Sounds delicious. Look at this estate. Wouldn't be New Zealand without this petanque. We are in Pisa 1 cottage. So we've literally driven down this road so many times, and this is the first time we're actually stopping, and not just stopping for wine, but actually spending 2 nights at a cottage here with the full package.
Onwards.
Naked vines is what
We
these
have
are.
a vineyard view cottage, but that's the view.
I think we're gonna cross over the bridge. Pisa 1, that's us just over there on the right.
Yes.
Yes. Very nice. Quite nice.
What is this? A shower bathtub.
Don't walk through that.
Oh, I think it opens. They use the same toilet paper as at the hostel.
And look, you could do the Michael Scott thing. Jack doesn't let him sleep in the bed.
It's actually a lot bigger than it seems.
Look at that.
See? He fits perfectly.
You know what that is? He was her subordinate, like, no, not subordinate, submissive.
His sub.
Yeah.
It's 2 hostel beds put together.
This is gonna be very comfortable. I'm looking to just maxing and relaxing.
And look at how they arrange the cups. I really like that.
We're not at the hostel now, look at that.
No. Minimalist living. It's just so functional. Everything you need. Boom. Boom. Boom.
And then it turns into some kind of like tickle porn.
Here is the hot tub. I guess there's water under there.
It was beautiful, sunny, and warm when we were working, and then now that we're here, it's fucking
Rain.
and raining.
Well, wind.
Also typical Kiwi, there's a kids play area at a vineyard.
So when we first walked in here, Ling mentioned that there was a surprise that wasn't in the room. The woman that works at the front desk, she was so nice as to get in her car, brave the wind and rain, drive over to Pisa 1. So this was the little surprise that Ling was expecting to be in the room when we walked in. It's a lovely assortment of sweet squares of fruits and chocolate and mousse. We got 2 glasses here and a bottle of the Pioneer KINROSS Pinot Noir. And Ling is preparing a lovely charcuterie platter. Okay, so now we're gonna make the pasta by Giovi. This is a nice casarecce pasta that he made himself. We're gonna put this... Giovi. This is the casarecce pasta made with love, Giovi. That's fierce. That's a fierce boiling water. You gotta make sure you season the water with a bit of salt, bit of olive oil in. This is 2 servings worth of pasta. I think this pot might be it's too small, yeah. 5 minutes to boil. This is the Giovi Bolognese sauce, also made with love. They make a lot of their things with love because if you're not gonna make food with love, then it's not gonna taste good. That's just the bottom line. So we're about 2 minutes into the boil. Like all pasta, you wanna cook it al dente. I've got about 3 more minutes, so might as well enjoy a bit of wine. Cheers to that. Thanks for tuning in. Good Pinot Noir. Here in the GIBBSTON Valley, the southernmost wine region in the entire world. How about that? I think it's ready. So I'm just gonna grab 2 tablespoons of this and drop it into the pan. This is gonna be my saucepan. Boom. You guys are wondering where the spoon went? It's literally right here. Run it under some cold water. So I've reduced the stovetop to medium heat. Look at that fat right there. Look at that. Drop it in. And then just let that cook down, let that fat kind of melt. What do you do when the pasta's boiling? What do you do when your sauce is warming up? Well, I'll tell you what you do. It's 2 words, Pinot Noir in the mouth. Cheers, mates. What?
That's 4 words.
So we're just gonna stir this up. Looking forward to this meal, though. Not bad. I think it could use a little pepper, though. And a touch of salt, why not? Boom. Chuck the pasta in. Take another sip from the Pinot Noir, of course. Give it a little toss. Look at how the meat sauce just sticks to the pasta. That's where that pasta water really comes in handy. That's what the starches do. That's the magic of starch right there. Boom. We have some freshly grated Parmigiano. Kill the heat. You don't want to overcook it. As a backpacker, pasta is the go-to dish. Backpackers that don't have a lot of money. It's literally the cheapest thing you could buy. We decided, let's go to Giovi. These guys make their own pasta. So let's actually have pasta, but from a more high-end point of view. So we're just gonna sprinkle some of that Parmesan on top. Casarecce Bolognese. Here we go. Boom. Ling, I hope you enjoy this meal. We got some bread over here. Can't forget Pinot Noir.
And forks.
Oh yeah. See, how's that taste?
The cheese really makes anything.
This is really good pasta though. You can taste the difference. When you get used to the backpacker diet, eating $2 pasta bags.
Like 99-cent pasta bags.
Immediately taste it. There's something different about this. Really good, Giovi. Well done. Quite well with the Pinot Noir as well. Did you enjoy the pasta casarecce with the bolognese sauce?
Yes, but not when you say it like that.
When you're done with the meal, Moving on to dessert, again provided by Giovi. These were not pre-filled cannolis, they filled it upon order. Chocolate and a custard, was it?
Italian custard.
And there's like little cookies here too. Let's try custard. There we go.
Ooh, it's crunchy still.
Mmm, custard is delicious. Let's give this
Nutmeg.
chocolate cannoli a go. The filling is great, but it's all about that cannoli shell. Dusted with icing sugar, little cocoa powder. This is nice, the chocolate one. Overall, a great meal. Grazie, Giovi. Mille grazie. Succo mocazza, it's so good. It's gonna be a lot heavier heading back into Queenstown in 2 days.